What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to control your Xiaomi TV stick without the remote control. So if you misplaced your Xiaomi TV stick remote control, or for some reasons the remote control is not just working, this video will guide you on 2 solutions that will still help you to be able to fully control your Xiaomi TV stick without the remote control. It doesn't matter whether you have the Xiaomi TV stick with an Android TV or the Xiaomi TV stick with a Google TV. The first solution to still be able to control your Xiaomi TV stick without the remote control is to simply use your phone. For this, you want to get your Android phone or your iPhone, whichever phone you have. You just want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store of your phone, and then you want to go ahead and search and download the Google Home app. So just come over to the search bar at the top of your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. Go ahead and search for Google Home. And you can literally see the Google Home app over here. It has been downloaded and installed into my phone already. In most Android phones, the app is already pre-installed, but if you do not have it, just make sure you download and install this Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store of your phone. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and open up the Google Home app directly from here. And at this point, you will have to set up the Google Home app. If you're using it for the first time, you'll be required to log in with your email. So just go ahead and make sure you log in and set up the app with the same Gmail that is used to set up your Xiaomi TV stick. Once that is done, this is basically how the home page of the Google Home app looks like. And at this point, you also want to make sure that both your phone and your Xiaomi TV stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you have connected your Xiaomi TV stick to your Wi-Fi network before, then you don't have to worry. The Xiaomi device will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network anytime you turn it on and anytime your Wi-Fi is actually turned on as well. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and make sure that both your phone or your iPhone is also connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. If your Xiaomi TV stick is not already connected to your Wi-Fi network, then you can check out my video on how to connect your Xiaomi TV stick to Wi-Fi network or hotspot network without the remote control. In my case, I have just connected my phone to my home Wi-Fi over here, and that is exactly the same Wi-Fi network that my Xiaomi TV stick is connected to. Now at this point, you want to go back to the Google Home app. Now click on the devices option over here, that is the devices tab at the bottom over here, and automatically your Google Home app will start to look for all of the available devices it can actually connect to. You should be able to find the name of your Mi TV stick over here. This is basically the name I gave to my Mi TV stick, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so. And you're going to see the open remote option over here. Just go ahead and click on it. Give it some few minutes, and then you want to go ahead and enter the same code that is displayed on your Xiaomi TV stick over here inside of your phone. I'll go ahead and enter mine. Once you're done, click on the pair button over here, and it will automatically pair with your Xiaomi TV stick device. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and start using this pointer over here to navigate through the apps on your Xiaomi TV stick, and you can literally see that it works pretty well. And interestingly, I can go ahead and open up any app I want or navigate through my Xiaomi TV stick without the actual remote control. Now let's take, for instance, I can go ahead and open up the file manager app over here by just clicking on the dot button, and this automatically opens up that particular app for me. There are also other shortcuts, so I can go to home directly from here. Now this is basically one way to control your Xiaomi TV stick without the remote control. Another way you can still control your Xiaomi TV stick without the remote control is to basically use the remote control of the TV which the device is connected to. Now, usually if you have enabled HDMI-CEC on your Xiaomi TV stick device before, then this allows you to be able to control the device with the remote control of the actual TV where the device is connected to. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.